Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your first 100 YouTube subscribers step by step. I know getting that first 100 subscribers is one of the hardest milestones to get, but it's critical in your psychology because once you get that first 100 subscribers, then you can get your first 1,000, then your first 10,000, and then it just grows from there. As you can see in this graph above, you can see it starts out really slow, but if you continue to stay consistent with YouTube, you will grow exponentially. And that's what happened with my channel, and my channel is now growing at an exponential rate, as you can see. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to get your first 100 subscribers. I'm going to show you guys 5 steps, and the last one is actually one of my favorite methods. It's one of my secret ninja hacks to get subscribers extremely fast. If you're brand new to my channel, guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can start your online business, digital marketing, and of course how you can grow your brand with YouTube and TikTok. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. The main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I used to work as an electrical engineer. I quit my job and now I have a passive income business called affiliate marketing. So I want to help you guys do that. If you guys want to learn more, click subscribe, click the notification bell. Let's go ahead and get started. All right. So first of all, before we get into the 5 tips, first thing, guys, don't ever do this, okay? Never go and sub for sub. Don't join those Facebook groups where it's like sub for sub or hug for hug, or, you know, a lot of people, even in my comments, will be like, hey guys, hugs for, you know, hug for hug, right? That's not the best thing to do, guys. You don't want to do that because, first of all, those people are not going to watch your videos. You're just trying to, you know, grow your channel with people that are not going to watch your videos. Okay, so that's a really bad thing. Second of all, YouTube doesn't like that. They'll actually, you know, you're actually violating the terms of service when you're doing sub for sub. Okay, so I wouldn't even worry about that though. The main thing is you're growing your channel on not a really solid foundation, right? You want to grow your channel the right way with people that actually want to watch your content. I know when you're just starting out, you want that first 100 subscribers, but don't do this. I promise you, it'll work out in the long term as long as you're consistent. You follow the steps I'm about to show you guys. You're gonna grow. Okay. Step number 1, guys. This is not like the ninja hacks, but this stuff is important. Okay, and that's the foundation of your YouTube channel. For example, if I go to my channel here, you can see I have a nice banner. It tells you who I am. It tells you like what I do and how I can help people, right? And then of course I have like a nice, you know, homepage where I have my main video here, and then I have my uploads, I have my popular uploads. So I have a place where people can go and, you know, see my channel, right? I have playlists for people. I have, you know, you can see a bunch of different type of playlists here, right? But there's a ton of channels that this is blank because a lot of people watch your videos, then they'll go to your homepage and this doesn't just look good, okay? So make sure your foundation is set up. I know this is kind of basic stuff, but a lot of people don't worry about this stuff until way later and it's already too late, okay? So make sure to take a look at this. Your foundation is really important, okay? Not only your foundation, you know, obviously have a cover page, and then of course, I recommend that you have a nice About Me page to tell people what you do and how you can help them, right? People follow you because they want to know how you can help them, okay? So make sure you, you mention that in your About Me and also your cover image here, okay? So that's the first thing, guys, is your foundation, okay? Number 2, guys, is you want a clear call to action in your videos, okay? So a lot of times, you know, people will be creating videos and you don't have a clear call to action, okay? So what I mean by that is, you know, you're creating a video, you want to tell people to subscribe to your channel like in the beginning and at the end, okay? You know, you want to say something like, yeah, if you found value in this video, please subscribe to my channel. I help people, you know, grow on YouTube, right? You want to tell them why they should subscribe to you and why, you know, what's the reason, right? But I always say, you know, ask people to subscribe and then tell them exactly what you can do for them, right? So for me, I help you guys build a passive income business and achieve financial freedom. So that's what I say in my videos because that's what I do and that's how I can help you, okay? So you want to make sure that you can give people a clear call to action, right? Subscribe to my videos, hit the notification bell. You want to make sure that's really clear, okay? I know a lot of YouTubers do it, and you probably see a lot of YouTubers do it, but you need to do that in order to grow, okay? Second thing there, okay? Now we're going to get into more of the tactical stuff, right? We kind of laid out the foundation. Number 3, we want to put more subscription links so more people can subscribe, okay? I'm going to show you exactly what this means, all right? So I'm going to go to my channel here, and I'm going to show you a video, or any of my videos, you're going to find these subscription links here, okay? So here's a video here. So what this is multiple links within your video so people can go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so if I go down here, there's a special link that you can create where people can subscribe to your channel. I'm going to show you here in a second. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here. Within my resource section, you'll see this button here. It says subscribe here, okay? If people click this button, okay, it's going to pull up another link here. What this does is it gets people to subscribe to the channel, right? It says, are you sure you want to subscribe to Passive Income Lifestyles? And it comes up with a message here, okay? So you want to add this link throughout your description, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a pinned post, okay? So, you know, the way you do this, I'm just going to hit cancel here, is you want to go to your channel, and then you want to add this code here, okay? This is the code here, !sub_confirmation equals 1. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see that. But this is the code you want to add. You know, if you go, let's just say you go to your channel here, you want to add that code here, okay? So that's the code you want to add, and then you want to add that throughout your description, okay? So if I go back, let me just go back here. You can see this is in my description of all my videos, okay? Now, you also want to add this in your pinned post, okay? So you can go ahead and add a pinned post to any of your videos, okay? So what I like to do, for me as an affiliate marketer, I have my #1 recommendation here, and then under that, I have that exact same link where people can go and click and subscribe, okay? So basically what we're doing is we're giving people opportunities to subscribe to our channel, right? Not only subscribe, we're giving them like a direct link where they literally click this button here, and it's gonna get them to subscribe. That button's going to come up and they can subscribe, okay? So you want to give people as many opportunities as you can to be able to subscribe to your channel, all right? Okay, #4, guys, we're going to be doing clever/funny comments to get free clicks to your channel, okay? This is something that I did when I first started, and this is something that still works till this day, okay? Now, I will tell you, it does take some time. It does take, you know, you do have to be waiting for videos to pop up, but let me show you how this method works, okay? So let's just say you go to a really big channel, okay? I'm talking about 500,000 to millions of subscribers. This only works on really big channels, okay? So we need to do an example, for example, like Kevin David, okay? This is a really big channel, 1 million subscribers. You want to make sure you're subscribed, but more importantly, you want to make sure this is on all notification, okay? And I'll show you why you want to do that, okay? By the way, make sure if you are subscribed to my channel, hit all notifications, guys, so you guys can get all my notifications when my new videos come out, okay? Anyways, all right, but you want to do this on all the channels that you want to do this method on, okay? What you do, okay, is you want to have a clever/funny comment on these videos here, okay? And the reason we do that is we want our videos to, or we want our comment to show up at the top of these videos, right? These videos are getting thousands and thousands of views every single day, right? So for example here, if you're reading this, you're going to be successful in life. Don't give up. Keep working and complete your dreams, okay? Just like a simple comment, right? But I guarantee you this guy was like one of the first people to comment, and now, you know, you can see he's getting over 594 likes, 14 replies. I've seen, you know, comments get hundreds and hundreds of comments just within a video, right? So the goal is to, you know, hit all notifications to these huge channels and comment something funny, maybe a joke, something to get you noticed, because the YouTube algorithm is gonna put your comment at the top. It's gonna help you grow faster on YouTube. Okay, this is something that obviously takes time. You have to be ready for your favorite YouTuber to, you know, post a video, and then you can go ahead and have these comments ready to go. What I recommend doing is having like a list of 10 clever comments, jokes, something like that, where you can copy and paste and throw them in these things here, okay? So this is the 4th way to do it. Like I said, this does take some time, but it does work if you can get your comment at the top, okay? All right, now we're gonna get to one of my favorite parts here, guys, and this does take a little bit of money, but this way will help you grow, like pretty much guaranteed, okay? So YouTube ads to blow up your account, okay? So this is probably one of the best ways to grow if you wanna grow fast, okay? So for example, if I were to go to affiliate marketing tutorial, what I mean by that is this video pops up at the top, okay? Now you can see here that it says ad. That means this guy here is paying to get noticed at the top of YouTube, right? So you can rank for any keyword you want, okay? I'm gonna show you a way you can do this manually, and I'm gonna show you a way you can do this done for you, okay? You do need a little bit of money to do this, but not that much, okay? So I would say you can pay anywhere from 33 cents to 66 cents for subscriber. At least that's what I was paying when I was running ads on my account. Okay, and the reason I did that is I wanted to get to 1,000 subscribers quickly, so I wanted to pay to get that 1,000 subscribers, because once you get that 1,000 subscribers, then you can be monetized. Okay, all right, so I'm going to show you how to run YouTube ads. So guys, you do need a Google Ads account. You just go to ads.google.com. You can create an account. I'm not going to show you how to do that. Super easy to do here. But you can see here I pay about 3 cents per view on my channel here. Okay, so let's just do some math here. Let's see if we can pull up the calculator. 3 cents per view. Let's just say, let's see, we get, let me see, 1,000 views here times 0.03. Okay, so to get 1,000 views, it's about $30, and typically you get about 2% conversion. So 2% will typically subscribe to you for viewing your videos. Okay, so you know, so 1,000 times 0.02. Okay, so about 20 subscribers per 1,000 views. Okay, we divide that into 30, about 66 cents per subscriber. Okay, that's the higher end of that. Okay, so let's just show you how to do this. Okay, so here's my Google Ads account. I'm gonna go to new video campaign here, and then I'm gonna do a where's it at here? If I can find it. Let's see. I'm just gonna hit create campaign without guidance. Okay, because we're not gonna do. All we're doing is getting people to view our videos so we can get subscribers. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit video here. And then we're going to do, actually, no, I'm sorry, promote brand or video. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. So product and brand consideration, okay? And then we're going to do video here. Yep. And then we're going to do influence consideration. This is the ad structure we want to use so we can get people to subscribe to our channel, okay? So we're going to hit continue here. All right, let that load. Okay, so now we can go ahead and let's just say, I'm just going to put test here, test. Okay, so now we have our campaign name. Now all we gotta do is start setting up everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly what we do here. So next we leave it on maximum CPV. That just means cost per view. And then right here we just enter the campaign total. Okay, so you can do as little as $5. Okay. $5, whatever you want to spend is like, you know, that's up to you. Okay, start date, we can leave that the same. Now I'm going to go ahead and click everything off besides YouTube search results. We want our stuff to just show up in YouTube search. Okay, now in languages, I like to click English here, just show up, you know, whatever your language is. Obviously show your videos to English language. And then location, I like to choose the top 5 stack, right? United States, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Canada, and Australia, right? Those top 5. Now, if you want to show your ads to like someone in India, it is going to be a lot cheaper, like a tenth of the price cheaper. But, you know, it depends on who you want to target, right? So for me, you know, I'm trying to build a high-ticket affiliate marketing business. So for me, I would want to choose, you know, people with more money, right? United States, United Kingdom, those type of countries, the top tier 1 countries. Okay, so it's up to you on your location there, but we're just gonna keep United States for now, just for the purposes of this example here. Okay, now the next thing here, we can go ahead and leave this here. Add group name. This is just the name of the group, so you can name that whatever you want. So I'm just gonna put keywords here. Okay, now inside of here, we can go ahead and, you know, target whoever we want, right? So demographics, we can target like certain age groups, stuff like that, right? That's more what you do, like if you're, you know, if you have like a funnel or some sort of like webinar you want to promote. In this case, you're just trying to get subscribers, so I'm trying to get as many people as I can to my videos, okay? So just leave the demographics and audiences the same, okay? Now, what I like to do here is start filling out the keywords. So in this example, I'm going to promote a video on affiliate marketing, right? So I would want to put words like affiliate marketing, you know, affiliate marketing tutorial, affiliate marketing. So you can go ahead and like enter keyword ideas here. It's going to give you a ton of ideas here, okay? Now you see I entered the brackets here, so you can see that I have these like little brackets. What that means is that whole phrase will be inside the search term, okay? It gets a little technical, but basically, for example, like, let's just say we did, let me just show you an example real quick. If I did that exact same keyword here and I put these type of brackets, okay, that's an exact phrase match, okay? Meaning people have to type in that exact word or that exact keyword to be able to, you know, for my video to show up, okay? So it just depends on how or like what type of people you want to show your ads to, okay? For now, just use these type of brackets just to make it simple. Like, you know, you can look it up like on the difference between exact, phrase match, and just broad, okay? There's 3 different types. A broad search term is just basically the keyword just like that, okay, without any brackets at all. Do your research on that, see what you want to do. For now, I recommend just doing the brackets like that, okay? The exclamation or the quotation marks, okay? So I'm just going to put a few keywords. Obviously, you can do your research and see what keywords you want to rank for, okay? All right. Now, what you can do if you want to do this, now with this type of campaign, I recommend just doing keywords just to show up like on the YouTube search here. Instead of just showing up in the in-stream, you can show up on people's channels, right? So for example, if I search my channel, passive income lifestyles, okay, so I can go ahead and run ads. You guys can run ads on my channel, right? If you're trying to take, you know, or I wouldn't say take, but if you're trying to like get people from my channel to your channel, you can, you know, definitely run ads on my channel. Now, what I recommend doing is running ads to a keyword, right? Because keywords are people actually looking for that specific video, right? If you're just running ads to a channel, it may be like, you know, you may be interrupting their video. So I like to run ads based on keywords, okay? So just kind of let you guys know the difference there. So I'm not gonna run ads based on placement, but you can do that if you want, okay? Okay, now you can run ads based on, or now you can run ads to any video you want, right? So you make sure you create the video and you can start running ads to that video so you can gain that first 100 subscribers fast, okay? So you go over here, I'm just gonna pick this video here, and then all you guys gotta do is paste the URL. So just take this link here at the top, and it's really easy. Just paste that into here. It's going to find the video, and people are going to find it for you, okay? So now you can just add a headline, how to do affiliate marketing step by step, right? And then just you can kind of just model what you see here. Let me show you. So, right, learn affiliate marketing. You can see here, I'd be competing against this video here, okay? All right, so that's what you do, and then you can, you know, add a headline, add a description, and then create campaigns. Super, super simple, and that's how you create your first YouTube ad, okay? Now, I'm going to show you a way that you can do this. You know, you can have someone do it for you, and you're paying like an extra penny, and you don't have to worry about, you know, all this technical Google Ads stuff, okay? And this is something I did back when I first started. You can see I used a program called Sprizzy, and this program, what it does is all you got to do is give them the video, and they do everything for you, okay? So you can literally hit promote video. You can choose what video you want. You literally just give them money, and they're gonna find the best ways, the best people to get your video to subscribe to your channel, right? So for example, if I find my channel here, I can choose any video I want. Let's just say I don't want to do that exact same video here. And then from here, you just literally tell them what you want, right? If you want YouTube subscribers, if you want more views, if you want more likes, they're gonna get the best type of people for your video, right? So you can tell them what your goals are, right? So you want subscribers, you can go ahead and say, I want subscribers, and let them do the targeting for you, okay? I recommend Sprizzy if you're not like really technical. Super, super easy. I do have an affiliate link for Sprizzy. I'll leave that down in the link down below. You guys can use that link, and I think you guys get like $10 or $20 if you use my affiliate link for Sprizzy. But you can see I used Sprizzy when I first started, and this is something that I liked using instead of Google Ads. Google Ads are a little hard in the beginning. Obviously, I use them now. But when I first started, I used a lot of Sprizzy. You can see here I use them for multiple campaigns, and I got a ton of subscribers doing it this way, right? So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. Hopefully these 5 methods help you get your first 100 subscribers. The last one's my favorite method. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below, and comment how many subscribers you have and what your main goal is for this year, okay? My goal is to, you know, hopefully hit 50,000 subscribers. I'll see if I can get there. I'm about 10,000 you know, at the time of recording this video. So I want to help you guys grow. I know it's hard in the beginning, but once you get the ball rolling, oh man, it just grows exponentially. So I hope this video was of value, guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions. If you want to grow your business with affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description down below. That's going to take you through our 15-day challenge to help you get monetized, help you start a passive income business, and help you achieve that financial freedom. Hopefully, guys, hopefully this video is of value, and we'll talk soon.